Hi there, it's Grant here. I'm really excited to bring this video for you today because what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal what I believe to be some of the hottest products to promote as an affiliate in 2023. Now, all of the products that I'm listing here that I personally promote or have promoted, and yeah, these products, are super hot at the moment. So if you're super excited to watch the video and learn what these products are, smash that like button below because it really helps this video reach more people like you. Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Also, before I get on with the video, I just want to inform you of a really exciting docuseries that's going to be released, I do believe, on May 23rd at 7 p.m. ECT. It is called the Six Figure Side Hustles documentary. It's a free docuseries that reveals the secret to creating a six-figure income in your spare time. And this is, obviously if you're watching this video, I think this is must-watch viewing. You can view this docuseries as like Netflix meets affiliate marketing and online side hustles. This is what it's all about. It's going to be Netflix style documentary sort of videos and episodes giving you the best information on how to create a six-figure side hustle in your spare time by industry experts who are going to be talking about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, how to make money with AI, and all of those other exciting things. So if you're excited to start a six-figure side hustle in 2023 so you can basically change your life, I'm going to link to this page down in the description. Just click the link, you'll come to this page, put your name and email address in there, click the button, and you'll be registered for this docuseries. Honestly, you don't want to miss this because you're not going to see anything like this, I promise you. The guys behind it are world class, and you're going to absolutely love watching it. So if you want to sign up and watch completely free, link in the description in the comments, come to the page, enter your name and email, and you'll be registered, and put the date, the May 23rd, in your diary because that is when the docuseries is launching. It's going to be absolutely awesome. I've registered. I can't wait. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's get on with the video. So, the hottest products to promote in 2023. Right, the first one I'm going to show you is on ClickBank. It's a product called Alpilean. Alpilean is taking the weight loss industry by absolute storm. If we look here, the Gravity Store, this is the number of affiliates making money with this offer. It's over 1,000. This is a hot product. If you go into Google and type in Alpilean, you're going to see, I think, 70,000 searches a month. This product is hot. It only launched, I think, the beginning of this year. So it's a brand spanking new product. So this is your probably your number one hottest product to promote in 2023. And also, before I show you the other products, this is one of the key things with affiliate marketing. If you want to maximize your income from promoting affiliate products, what you want to do is pick products that are hot. In niches that are exploding, or with people needing huge demand. And what I mean by that is this product. This product is hot right now. It's just been launched. Tons of people are promoting it. So basically, this huge opportunity for you to make big bank. So in my opinion, you should always be promoting products in hot industries or areas of topic that are exploding, or basically piggyback off product launches with affiliate products, because that is where you're going to make the most money as quickly as possible. So Alpilean is your number one. The next one I'm going to tell you about, and you might be aware of this, is ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, ClickFunnels, if you don't know, it's one of the world's leading sales funnel builders. But the team at ClickFunnels, they completely revamped ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels 2.0 was released to the world in October last year. Now, this is basically your one-stop shop for creating your whole online assets and taking payments. So you can build a blog, build all your funnels, do your email marketing, take payments. The list is endless. This product is hot, and it's going to be hot for the remainder of 2023 and probably into 2024. A lot of money to be made if you promote this with ClickFunnels. Okay, product number 3 is product called Jasper AI. Now, why is this product hot? Because this product is basically an AI writing tool product. So it's very similar to ChatGPT. Unfortunately, we can't promote ChatGPT as an affiliate, but you can promote Jasper.ai. Jasper's been around for a while, but they've added a ton of new features, and it's going to be a really hot product because AI is hot, and you know, AI writing tools are becoming massive amongst business owners and teams of content creators and writers. So this is going to be one of the hottest products, I believe, to promote in 2023. And I'll give you a bonus. Seeing the AI industry is blowing up and it's only going to get bigger, look for other affiliate products in the AI space. Think about what software, AI software tools you can promote. There's websites out there that have directories of all these tools. Find those directories, look through them, look for product. You're going to be finding dozens of products you can promote in the AI space. Probably the hottest industry right now. So this is hot product number 3. Now, the 4th product that I really like is a trading tool called Black Box Stocks. Now, this tool is basically for stock and options traders. So basically what it does is got a very unique tool. It basically shows you which stocks are ready to make a big move in the market. So this is brilliant if you're a stock trader, but especially if you're an options trader. I use this product. I promote it as an affiliate. It's a hot product. It's a piece of software. It's very sticky. So once people use it, they're going to be with it a long time. It's a must-have really tool for traders. So basically, yeah, and there's a lot of opportunity to promote it. So yeah, this is hot product number 4 to promote, especially if you're into trading. Hot product number 5 is a tool called keywordsearch.com. Now, this is basically an advertising tool for anyone who wants to basically take their YouTube advertising to the next goal. Basically, with this tool, you can basically spy on all of the competitors who are advertising on YouTube. You can see their ads, landing pages, see their keyword targeting, and all of that jazz. And it's AI powered. So it's again piggybacking off the AI industry. This product's only been launched recently, so I think once the team behind it really get push hard with this is going to be a hot product. And again, it's recurring revenue. So that means basically once you drive a customer, you'll get paid monthly. I'm promoting this. I love it. It's a great product. So this is basically product number 5 to promote in 2023. So basically, guys, that is all of the products I've got for you. Excuse me. All of the products I've got for you. The hottest products to promote in 2023. I'm promoting all of these products, or have done in the past. They're awesome products, and they are super hot right now. So if you're wondering which products to promote, I'd probably choose one of these and basically get behind it. Now, what I'm going to do is just give you a few quick tips of how to promote products like this. If you've got an audience around in the market around any of your tools, then great. Start promoting that product to your audience in your content. But if you don't, the biggest tip I can give I'm going to give you 2 tips. So if you want to promote any of these products, but you don't have any assets to promote them to, you've got 2 ways. There's a free way and a paid way. The free way, in my opinion, which is one of my strengths, is to create a YouTube channel around the niche of your affiliate products, say trading, for example, and then start posting daily or weekly videos or multiple weekly videos. So basically you build up views. But the thing is, you don't need subscribers. You can use YouTube SEO to rank your videos for particular keywords. And then basically you can start getting sales. So for example, the best way to use this using YouTube is create product review videos of all of these products, rank them for, the high intent based keywords such as the product name, like ClickFunnels or, Alphalene or anything like that. Do a couple of videos, get your videos ranking on YouTube and Google, and you'll have your review videos in front of buyer traffic. That's what I do, and it makes me a lot of money, I can tell you. Number 2, if you don't want to do that, if it seems like too much hard work to you, the other way you can reach these people is with ads. What you can do is go to Google and start searching buyer intent keywords. So say, for example, Alpilean. So obviously we can't promote this product to Alpilean based keywords on Google because it's against their terms of being affiliate. But what you can do is type in, best diet pills or weight loss pills, and you can target those with Google search ads. So basically you're putting this product in front of people who are searching for diet pills, and they're researching, they're in market audiences, and they're potentially ready to make a purchase. So if you put this product in front of high intent people, you're going to make commissions. It might take a bit of time dialing your ads in, but I guarantee you that is one of the easiest ways to certainly promote this product and some of the others as well. So guys, that is what I've got for you. Hope you got value from this. Pick one of these products and start promoting it using either one or both of the methods, or if you've got an audience, you're already ahead of the game. If you like the video, why not like it, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Also, don't forget, sign up for the 6-Figure Side Hustles docu-series. This is going to be awesome. If you want to start your 6-figure side hustle this year, whether it's affiliate marketing or otherwise, you've got to watch this docu-series. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to this down in the description. Come to this page, put your name and email in here, click the button, you're all registered. It launches on May 23rd. You're not going to see anything like this, and I believe watching this will change your life. So register completely free. I'll link to it down below. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found this video useful, informative, and I'll speak to you soon.